Most effective, less costly method to reduce the wrinkle and fine lines from the face is Botox injection treatment. Large number of celebrities also follow this statement. What is Botox statement? It is Botox injecting but the neurotoxin. Why our wrinkles and fine line occur? Due to the contraction of face muscle. Due to the contraction of face muscle, when the injection, Botox injection given to that face muscle, they can be relaxed. The face muscle are relaxed and the wrinkle fine line disappear from our face. It effect lasts up to 3 to 4 months. 3 to 4 months. It is less expensive than any other method. It is less painful. It is have very less side effect or no side effect. It have no side effect. But remember that there are special doctors for this treatment, for this injection given. There are special doctors, special medical practitioner. So go to the special doctor or practitioner. Otherwise it is causes painful. So very effective, less costly, and also followed by the large number of celebrity. You can look like smart, young, beautiful. Share this thought to the maximum people. They also know about this method. Share. Thanks.